Okay, hi students. Again, on this last session, which is session number 15, yeah, I would like to talk about the second part of your coursework, yeah. One, we have done all the analysis for the brand strategy on the previous part 1 of the coursework. Then we will talk about the IMC program, Integrated Marketing Communication Program to achieve brand equity. So listen very carefully to my explanation, what you need to do in the second part of your coursework, yeah? Okay, again, use the same brand, yeah? So you're only working with one brand. That's why you must choose a brand which you really have a liking to, or maybe a brand that has a lot of, you know, a lot of promotion activities, yeah? So a well-known brand, don't use a brand that people don't know nothing about, yeah? Then I think you will have problems getting the necessary data, yeah? So with the same brand, I would like you to study, yeah, to observe, yeah. So make sure also when you choose your brand, it's the brand that has, you know, quite an intensive IMC program, yeah. Not just a brand who does maybe sales promotion, yeah, for their marketing communication activity. So it will be very, I think, helpful for you if the brand has use quite a lot of a few of the promotion techniques, yeah. Okay, so first of all, point number 1 is integrated marketing communication is a plan, right? A plan how you would like to communicate to your target audience about your brand, yeah. So a plan, first of all, must have an objective, yeah. So I would like you to, by studying what the brand has implemented for their IMC, I would like you to analyze what you think is the objective. Is it because they want to counteract their competition, because they have a strong competition, that you need to justify that with your analysis? Or is it because they want to meet consumer sophistication? Maybe the consumer is becoming more sophisticated, so they want to change their strategy to meet the consumer sophistication? Or is it to achieve brand loyalty? Maybe they have reached a certain point in their marketing, in their product life cycle, that now they need to achieve brand loyalty, or others. I mean, there are many integrated marketing communication objectives. So you decide from your analysis of their integrated marketing communication that they have implemented, what do you think is their objective? So this is based on analysis only, yeah? So basically, because you're not doing research, really formal research, I'm not going to be very strict about this. The most important, you can justify your choice. Even though it's not the right choice, but the most important, you can justify it. If you think it's competition, then you justify in your analysis why is it competition, yeah? Whether it is not or yes, it doesn't matter, yeah? So the most important is your understanding and your description of your understanding, okay? Then based on the objective, what is the strategy, yeah? A strategy is how they implement, yeah, the program. What kind of promotion activity do they use, yeah? For instance, if they want to overcome their competition, maybe they're using very different positioning from their competition, or they're using other strategy, like for instance they're using a brand endorser or something like that, yeah? So explain what is the strategy. Or maybe they use more public relations strategy because they need to educate, or maybe they use more advertising because they would like to create more image. What is it? Yeah. So again, your objective in your strategy must integrate, yeah, must support the strategy is chosen because the strategy can achieve the objective, yeah. So I'm going to look at how the way you think, yeah. Basically what I'm looking at is your rationale. A plan must be rational, yeah. It's not something that's creative, but it's rational, yeah. So how your strategy will be able to meet the objectives. And then the third one is the IMC mixed use. Yeah, what is the IMC use? If the strategy is to create brand if the objective is competition and the strategy is brand image, then of course in your IMC mix, advertising must be there. Or it could be also the objective is brand loyalty, right? And the strategy is education, because you want to educate people so that they'll be more loyal to your brand. Then of course in your IMC mix, public relation must be there, because public relation is usually used to create education, to establish understanding. Yeah. So again, all of these three, the objective, the strategy, and the IMC use mix must be in line with each other. Ya. Kalau saya bilangnya dalam bahasa Indonesia, harus ada benang merahnya, harus nyambung. Ya. Jadi kalau kamu mau pergi ke Bogor, jangan naik kereta api yang perginya kemana ya? Ke Bekasi, nggak nyampe kamu ya. So basically, this is what I mean. Yeah, all the objective, strategy, and the mixed use must be in line with each other. This is what it means by integrated. Yeah, we're talking about integrated marketing communications. Yeah. Okay. Once again, I know you are I think by now you're probably having a heart attack or something. Yeah, you're probably overwhelmed with all these topics, but I think it's actually not that difficult. Yeah. Again, you have the opportunity to discuss all these materials with your mentor, with myself, and also by doing some reading materials. Yeah. So try to do a good job, because I'm sure everybody here wants to pass this topic. Yeah. This subject, and you don't want to repeat it again, all right? Because it means spending more money and spending more time. Okay, thank you very much. It's been lovely to have you as a student during all our session here, our 15 sessions, yeah? So looking forward to meet you in our live session, yeah, and our discussion. Thank you so much. Good luck, everybody.